Back to Miggy's channel world. Let's play Roblox. Kasali naman natin si Mama. Say hello.
Hello.
Yun na lang ako kay Mama. Let's go. Kasali na naman namin si Mama. Nagkalton. Ito mo sabihin pa kasi saan nakita?
Where are you, Miggy?
Ano ba para i-change yung camera? Hi kayo ulit. Ano ba yan? Ano ba paano mag-dance?
Where are you?
Ito na ako. Ito, hello! Hello!
Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello!
Where are we going?
Just come here. Just come here.
Okay. Where are we going?
Into bahay.
Where's your house?
Mag-ispon ko lang.
Okay, let's go.
But it's lagging. It's so lagging. Ito na, may dalawa. Mama, ito sa'yo. Saka sa akin to yung 22.
Okay.
Yan. Any house lang, yung walang bayad, yung may Robux, hala. Pag yung may Robux, may tanggal ko yung video. Sorry na back ko. Dahil wala na siya akong space. Kaya hindi ko mapindot. Yun ulit tayo sa game ni Mama. Let's go! Mag-join lang itak sa'yo. Wait lang Mama. Wait lang po. Nalupo na kasi ako guys
Sa house ko.
Ito naman yung bahay ko.
Ituro mo ako sa bahay mo.
Okay. Dati mo din ako sa bahay mo
Okay.
Wait lang. Ako muna mag-tour sa'yo sa bahay ko.
Okay.
Di pa to nakalock. Pasok ka.
Okay, lock your door first.
Okay. There we go. Follow me.
Okay.
This is the bed. This is the master bed.
Okay. Huh?
This is the bunk bed.
Bunk bed.
Yes.
Okay.
This is the bathroom.
Wow. Can I see myself on the mirror?
Huh?
Can I see myself on the mirror? Uh-oh.
Okay.
Hi. What's this? Is this a coconut?
Coconut? That is the fading.
Oh.
Late yan.
Where are you?
I'm here. You're back.
Okay. I'm coming.
This is another bed. This is another master bedroom.
Master bedroom again. Oh.
Ito din Ito din ito din
What? May walk-in closet ka.
Yes.
I like your
This
house.
is the toilet.
Oh.
Ikaw na ang doktor sa akin sa bahay mo.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I'm stuck.
Come here.
Let's go.
Di ba maliit yung house mo?
Yes.
Tanggal ko lang yung
My
halak.
house is so small. It's so simple. Look, my house is color red.
Check, pwede mo rin i-change yung house mo.
No, I don't like.
Okay.
I want this one.
That is okay. That is okay that is okay not to change your house.
Okay, I like books. Look, I have a bookshelf here.
Oh, bookshelf.
I love reading books.
Oh,
And this one is my painting area.
this is the painting area.
And here is my dirty kitchen.
Dirty kitchen.
Okay. Oh, what's this? This is my sofa.
This is your sofa.
Yes, I have big television here.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's go upstairs. Uh-oh. Come down.
Okay.
Okay. This is my powder room.
Let's
Comfort room.
go for the room.
Yes. You see, I have a bathtub here.
Oh,
It's too small, but it's okay.
okay.
Let's go upstairs. Whee.
Okay.
As you can see, I only have one bed.
Dito bed yan.
Oh. Uh-oh. How did you know that? I'm just pranking you.
Wait,
You can stay here. This one is your bed.
Oh, okay. This your bank?
Shh. It's a top secret.
Okay.
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 This is my bed.
That is your bed.
Yes.
Ako na magluto ng pagkain
That's
mo,
your
ah.
house. Oh,
Yeah.
there's a UFO.
Oh, let's check.
There, upstairs.
Hindi. Oy,
What?
hindi yan. Wait lang, let me explain.
Okay, what's that?
Ayan yung, ito siya, oh. Ito, yan, oh. Madaming things yan. Pwede things may scary, may zombie, may ghost. Kahit anong scary, ganon.
Just a lights.
Yes. Saka,
Okay.
yung
Let's
taas na
go.
yan. Yung taas na yan. Saka,
go outside.
may bayad din yan. May Robux din yan.
Ooh. Where's your car?
That is a bike. Ito yung car ko. Wait lang, patita ko lang sa'yo.
Okay.
This is my blue car.
Oh, okay.
Umupo ka sa back.
Why? I want to sit in front.
Okay, go.
Is this? Did I already sit beside you?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Wait lang. I-check ko muna. Oh, you're here.
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I want to eat burger.
Oh, okay.
Where are you?
Here, to the car.
Oo.
Uy, nabangga ko yun. Sorry po. Ito yung burger shop. Park muna ako.
Okay.
Ito yung magandang hotel.
Oh.
Pwede lang dalawang house. Pag gusto ko dito yung house mo, pwede ka tumila diyan. Pero two house lang yan. Pag two house na, bawal ka na maglagay ng house again. Ito lang yung pwede. Ito yung door, oh.
Where? I'm here na.
Ay, may dalawang door sila po, oh.
Wow.
Order muna tayo.
Okay.
Ito pa yung credit card ko po. Ito pa yung credit card ko. Magbabayad na ako. This is my blue card.
Receipt kayo muna.
This is my blue card. I'm so tall kaya magbayad muna ako. Ito na ba ito? Ayun, pwede na. And my size back. There we go.
What? Tinatanong niyo ako ano daw gusto ko. Where's
Bro,
my burger? Ako ba kukuha niyan?
wait lang po. Ito na. Let's go race it.
Where's mine?
To, di ba dito ka?
Sure tayo?
Okay. Sure.
Let's share. Yum, 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 yum.
Yum. So good.
So good.
Yung dragon ko lumabas sa chair ha.
How about the juice?
Yum. So good.
So good, right? Bakit siya nagjo-join sa atin?
Sino?
Ayan o. May strangers.
The stranger. Danger.
Oh no, at
Bruh. Agkuha lang ako ng weapon. Okay.
let's go.
Pow!
Did you kill him?
Yes.
Uh-oh.
Bro, stop, okay? Bro, I not electric in gun, bro. In the dream. Bro, let's come. Yes, Jen. Let's go. Lock ko lang yung car ko. There we go. Nice. Buti din. We're safe. Bruh! Stop! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Ano ba yung nabalitan sa yung car natin? Yeah. Hindi na yung nababa.
Let's go home.
Okay.
I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Me too.
Let's go home.
I forgot we house. There you go. Bruh. There we go.
Hey, careful.
Okay. Hoy! Dapat tayo mabangga, masisira yung car ko eh. Park ko muna dito yung car ko.
Okay, let's go.
Wait. There's a fire truck. Bakit yung mabangga? Bruh. Wait, binangga ko pa yung likod ko. Ano? Hindi ako makagalaw. Wala ko gawin car ko. Aba yan? Bro. Ano ang emergency? Yeah. My car is stuck. Wait. Let's go. Lakad muna tayo. Let's go. Okay lang man yun yung car ko. Ay, no. Ay, may par.
This is my house. Good night, Miggy.
Nagukod sa akin sa iPad ko si Snowy. Si Snowy, what? Nag-make na kami ng video ni Mama. Dito na tayo magbuka. Bye-bye.
Okay, good night na.
Good night.
Bye.
Bye.